Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sinking this paper boat. Well, it's supposed to be made out of cardboard, but paper is going to be just fine probably. Maybe go Titanic. Hey!
It flows.
Already hear bubbles. Wait, look, it's already sinking there.
Oh no.
It's not going to make it. What? It's a rock.
The Titanic.
Oh! I'm gonna stick to something. Try to rip the hole in it so it can sink faster. Oh!
We hit the iceberg.
Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Let's set it in the middle of the ditch. The deepest point in the Oh, I made a little window.
No. It's tipping.
No! Hold on.
She's flipping over.
No! Not yet. No, hold up. Okay, go. No. Goodbye. Oh, fire. No. No. Oh, it's going down. Don't fire this thing. No. Oh wait, hold on, pass me the camera.
It's toppling.
Hold on. Oh. Man. Okay, look. Oh no. It's all coming down. Oh, I see the tape peeling off. Look at that little big old layer of tape. Hold up. Oh. Oh, the front's ripping. Oh, it sank more. Oh no, my cracks.
It's toppling.
Yeah, like throw a rock at it or something. Ooh. Come on. You can make it.
Move, Andrew.
Oh! Oh, it's... Oh, you can see it filling up. Oh, you can hear the bubbles. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Down with the Titanic. First two smokestacks are filling up with water. Oh no. And the third one's slowly filling up. I made it too long. Oh no. Sorry, Titanic. There's no lifting it up. Oh. It's moving, all right. Oh my goodness. Oh, gave out. I'll just see all the ink smudge off. Oh no. And look, the fourth smokestack is filling up with water. Oh no. Wow. It's going down. Here, can you chuck another rock? Oh no. Goodbye, Titanic. Ugh.
I think it's done for.
Oh, look at that, all the water. Oh no. Ugh. Oh no. Ah. Let's see. I can move it. Oh. Oh wait, hold up. The whole thing just this whole part just sunk. Oh no. Now let's try to dip. Yo, it's dirty poo-poo water. We could still drag it. Oh no. Wait, I think I can rip open the thing. Hold up. Oh. Ah. No, my toes just got wet. Ah. Oh no. Can you chuck another rock, like a tiny one? Oh yes. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Wait a minute. Ugh. Sorry, Titanic. Oh no. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Ah! It's all exploded. It's kind of beautiful, honestly. You looking at it. Oh, oh man. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Oh. All the air bubbles. Ah. The ground's getting more squishy. Oh no. Sink the whole thing. Sink. Oh no, I can't drag it. It's gone. Oh wow, look, all the colors all drained. Let me pick that up. Oh, off.
Andrew.
Alright, I'll end it.